Okay, para sa topic na ito, first topic, ang magiging challenge natin ay tatawagin natin siyang simple interest calculator. So, we are tasked to write a Java program that calculate simple interest based on user input for principal, rate, and time. Okay? So, ito yung formula natin. Simple interest is equals to principal multiply by rate multiply by time. Tapos kapag nakuha nyo na yung total ng mga to, i-divide natin into 100. So, ito yung requirements. Ang principal amount natin ay double siya. Ang annual interest rate natin in percentage will be double. And then yung time in years will be double din. Then, calculate the simple interest using the formula. Ito nga, yung formula na to. Then, display the result with the descriptive message. So, ito yung simple output natin. So, paano ba nakuha yung 100? So, labas natin yung calculator. Sabi sa formula, yung principal daw, i-multiply mo sa rate. So, ito yung principal natin, 1,000 siya. 1,000 multiply by rate, which is 5%. So, multiply by 0.5. Then, i-multiply natin siya sa time. So, multiply sa time or yung years, multiply by 2 is equal to 1,000. Okay? So, i-divide natin yan into 100. Then, equal to 10. Oh, mali. Wait lang. Mali yung calculation. So, 1,000 multiply by 5, then multiply by 2. So, ito pa lang siya. Equal to 10,000 and then i-divide natin siya into 100 just like sa formula natin. Then equal natin siya sa 100. Kaya nakuha yung 100 natin dito. So, gagamit ka ng double para makuha mo yung decimal, yung point zero natin. Kaya double yung data types natin dito. At the same time, yung starting ng code na ito, makikita mo yung file name ng Word kung saan ika-copy and paste mo yung code at dadagdagan mo na lang siya. Ang pangalan niya ay Simple Interest Calculator. So, tignan mo na lang siya sa folder natin.